How to create reflections in Canva. Open any web browser on your device. In the address bar, type canva.com and hit enter to access Canva's homepage. Once you're on the Canva platform, let's start by opening a design page. I have one ready here, but feel free to open your own pre-designed page to work with. Next, navigate to the Apps section and use the search bar to type Easy Reflections, just like this. Then, hit enter. Click on the Easy Reflections app and you'll be guided to its settings page. Now select the image you'd like to enhance with a reflection. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Create Reflection. Go ahead and click it. In the positioning options, you have a choice to place your reflection in various directions: below, above, left, or right. I am selecting below. Now, in the offset section, you can decide how far or close you want your reflection to appear. The opacity section allows you to control the transparency of the reflection, giving you the flexibility to make it as prominent or subtle as you desire. Once you're pleased with how everything looks, proceed by clicking the Add to Design button. You'll notice that the reflection has seamlessly been added to your design page. Adjust the size and position it precisely as you prefer for the best visual impact. And there you have it.